In this video, I'll show you exactly how to expand image or photo with AI and completely free. I'm Sai from DigiWhisper and let's get started. So this is an image I have created this thumbnail using ChatGPT, but the problem is this thumbnail's dimension is not perfect for YouTube long form video. We know YouTube long form video thumbnail dimension is 1920 by 1080. So I need to make this thumbnail 1920 by 1080. How I can expand this thumbnail without any types of visual change? I am showing you exactly this, and for this purpose I will use PixelCut software and it is completely free to expand your image. I need to first sign up this website. So I'm clicking the sign up button and I'm signing up with my Google account. So clicking here to sign up with my Google account, and my sign up has been done. And now I need to click the expand section here and I need to upload my image. So my image size is, or image dimension is 1536 by 1024, but I need to make sure it is 1920 by 1080. So this is the exact YouTube long form thumbnail size, and I need to convert this thumbnail to YouTube's thumbnail size if I want to use it as a YouTube thumbnail. And it is expanding the size, but I need to make sure it will be completed without any types of visual change. And now click here in the generate button and it is expanding my thumbnail size. So here you go. So you see how perfect this thumbnail is. So this way you can expand your photo using a free AI called PixelCut. Alright, that's a wrap. Now it's your turn. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment and I might pick your question in the next video. I genuinely read every comment because this channel is all about solving your real life problem, not just random tutorials. So if you are stuck and confused or just curious about a tool, ask me below. I will reply you personally to help you out. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must-visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.